लोग देखें तो वो 3rd पोजीशन पे है. Our earth is in the 3rd position and we are using the word Prithvi for our earth. Now see, from the space, if we see our earth, it appears as a beautiful blue green spherical ball. अगर हम लोग outer space से earth को देखें, ठीक है, तो हमारा अर्थ कैसा दिखता है? ये ब्लू और ग्रीन कलर का एक स्फेरिकल बॉल दिखता है. Now, any one of you tell me why our earth appear as a blue and green? Anyone? जिसको आंसर आता हो वही अनम्यूट होना. Yes. Why we are saying that?
Ma'am, because of plants and trees and water bodies, our earth is called
this
blue
is
planet.
due to reflection of light from the water bodies and the land masses which is present on the earth. हमारे अर्थ के सरफेस पे लैंड मासेस हैं. ओके, बड़े बड़े मतलब हम लोग कह सकते हैं लैंड जो है वो पोर्शन है और वाटर भी प्रेजेंट है. वाटर ब्लूइश दिखता है जबकि लैंड जो है ग्रीनिश दिखता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई it appeared from the outer space that its color is bluish green. Okay, that's why sometime we are using the word blue planet for our earth. इसीलिए कभी कभी हम लोग इसको blue planet कहते हैं अर्थ को. ठीक है. Now next is the earth complete one revolution in how many days? Tell me. When our earth revolve around the sun?
365 days.
365 and a half days. Yes, very good. It takes 365 days to revolve around the sun.
365 and a half days.
Yes.
65 days. Earth has revolved 365 days.
Yes, the earth revolves around the sun in 365 days, and that's why there is change in season on the earth. हम लोग अर्थ पे चेंज इन सीजन जो की बात करें तो वो ड्यू टू रिवोल्यूशन ऑफ अर्थ अराउंड द सन, दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग, दिस टाइप ऑफ इवेंट इज occurring. Now next, our earth rotate on its axis. The time taken by earth is the time taken by earth to rotate around its axis, its own axis.
24 hours.
24 hours. Due to rotation of earth, what happens?
Change day and night.
Ma'am,
Yes, changing of day and night. Very good. Very good. People have done it well. Very good.
Ma'am, day and night.
Yes, day and night occur due to rotation of earth on its axis. Very good. Now keep yourself muted and let me start the another topic, that why our earth is called unique planet. ठीक है, हम लोग जो है डिस्कस करेंगे कि अर्थ को यूनिक प्लैनेट क्यों कहा जाता है. इट इज यूनिक, इट हैज समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग द टर्म यूनिक हियर. अर्थ को अगर हम लोग देखें तो उसमें कुछ अलग, सबसे अलग है जिसकी वजह से उसको यूनिक कहा जाता है. When something extraordinary things is present in something, we use the term unique for that. अगर कुछ extraordinary चीजें कुछ अलग हो तो उसके लिए हम लोग वर्ड यूज करते हैं यूनिक. यस
मैम, अर्थ पे लिविंग
ऑर्गेनिज्म,
लिविंग थिंग्स.
yes,
Ma'am, living organisms.
now see,
And earth also have water.
yes, see what is present in earth, that for that we are using the term unique. The first one is presence of atmosphere. On our earth, air is present. We can say that earth is covered by a layer of air or a blanket of air. देखो अर्थ जो है हमारा किससे कवर्ड है? ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर से कवर्ड है. ठीक है, सो एटमॉस्फेयर इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द अर्थ. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट एज एन यूनिक प्लैनेट. सेकेंड वन, प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर ऑन द सरफेस. अर्थ के सरफेस पे हम लोग को वाटर मिलेगा जिसके वजह से हम लोग क्या कहेंगे इसको? यूनिक. राइट साइज एंड राइट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सन. ये एक निश्चित दूरी पे और एक निश्चित जो है साइज का है जिसके वजह से यहाँ जो है ना ज्यादा सन का हीट मिलता है, सोलर एनर्जी ये ज्यादा अमाउंट में नहीं मिल पाता है, जितना नेसेसरी है बस उतना ही मिलता है। तो इसीलिए इसको एक यूनिक प्लैनेट कहते हैं। Right size and right distance from the sun that enable it to receive correct amount of solar energy. हमारे अर्थ को एक करेक्ट अमाउंट, प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ सोलर एनर्जी मिलता है, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग इसको यूनिक प्लैनेट कहते हैं। ठीक है, मीन्स ना ज्यादा ना बहुत ज्यादा और ना ही बहुत कम। So that's why it is called unique planet. Now one by one I am calling your name and you people answer the answer of this question, that why life is possible on earth. First of all, I am asking from Principia. Principia, unmute yourself and tell me why we can say our planet earth has a unique planet. Princi, keep your video on.
Because the presence.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
3
Because
points
the
you have
presence
to
of.
say. Bolo.
Because the presence of atmosphere. Second, presence of liquid water on the earth.
Yes.
And third, right distance and right amount from the earth.
Okay. Now next I am telling to Akash Deep. Akash Deep, unmute yourself. Keep your video on and tell me.
आदित्य दीप है।
हाँ, बोलो आदित्य दीप। Sorry, Aditya Deep. Yes, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
3 points you have to say. Keep your video on so that I can hear you properly and see you properly. Where is Aditya Deep? Yes. Tell me all the 3 points. Your sound is not audible. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है आदित्य।
Can I give answer? Ma'am,
Okay,
can I give answer?
No, let me, yes, I am asking from Rishu Raj Sinha. Rishu Raj Sinha, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 3 points you have to say why our earth is called a unique planet.
Ma'am, 3 points are unique earth, presence of atmosphere, presence of liquid water on the surface, right size and right distance for the sun that enables in the requires just the correct amount of solar energy.
Very good indeed, you tried. Now next one, Subham Kumar.
Hello.
Subham Kumar
Ma'am.
Singh, please start. Subham Kumar Singh, keep your video on and you tell me the 3 points why our earth is considered as unique. Subham. Subham, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start. He is smiling.
मैम नहीं,
Very bad.
मैम नहीं आ रहा है।
शुभम, तुम क्लास में भी आंसर नहीं देते हो, अभी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, यहाँ भी आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो। एटलीस्ट यू ट्राई ना, बोलिए। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, व्हाई आवर अर्थ इज कॉल्ड यूनिक। शुभम,
Can I give answer?
yes,
Can
you
I
can
give
give answer. Yes, you can give answer.
Presence of liquid water, right size and right distance from the sun that enables it to receive just correct amount of solar energy.
Okay, see, first point is the presence of atmosphere. सबसे पहला हम लोग कहेंगे कि on our earth atmosphere is present, that's why life is possible on earth or it is considered as unique. Okay, so first one is presence of an atmosphere, second one is the presence of liquid water on its surface, and the third one is right size and right distance from the sun. Okay, these are the 3 points which I was talking about. ये 3 points, ये तीनों हैं जिनकी मैं बातें कर रही थी. The first one we can say presence of atmosphere. Okay, presence of atmosphere on the surface of earth, this is the first one. Second one is water is present on the surface of earth, and the last one is its right size and right distance from the sun. इसकी right size और sun से एक निश्चित दूरी, ये तीनों के तीनों जो हैं ये conditions हैं जो कि अर्थ को यूनिक बनाते हैं. Now I think you all have understand. You all have understood or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, those who are writing that their mic is not working, it does not matter. ठीक है? जो ये कह रहे हैं कि उनका माइक वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, it does not matter. At least some of you are trying to answer. कुछ लोग जो है आंसर देने की कोशिश तो कर रहे हैं. That is the best thing. And we अभी जैसे मैंने शुभम से पूछा, and शुभम he said मैम मुझे नहीं आता है. This is wrong thing. At least you try. ठीक है? तो सबको आनी चाहिए. And many of the students, they have correctly said this thing. Okay, next one. See, when we are talking about our planet Earth, what we come to know that this is the unique planet, and why it is unique. 3 points I already told you, that is its right size and right distance from the sun, presence of atmosphere, as well as presence of liquid water on the surface of the earth. So these are the 3 things which enable, which is making our earth a unique planet. Now next one is the planet Mars. But before moving on to this topic, I want to tell you that a day for a planet equals the time taken by it to complete one rotation about its own axis. As you people said that the time taken by Earth to rotate on its axis, that is 24 hours. But Earth is taking 24 hours. Very good. Yes. Now I get answer from Keshav Kumar Gautam.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, Earth has taken 24 hours.
Yes, Earth is taking 24 hours, and similarly other planets also, when move on its when other planet also move on its axis, that is the time taken by that planet. Okay, so our Earth is taking only 24 hours to rotate around its axis, and for revolution it is taking 365 days. So this is regarding the Earth. Now next planet is our Mars. Okay, Mars is also called the neighbor of Earth. Do you know? I think you all know about the Mars. क्या मंगल ग्रह के बारे में जानते हो? We are using the term मंगल for
Yes, ma'am.
हम लोग
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यूज करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So Mars is the planet that lies beyond Earth in our
Ma'am,
solar
Mars.
system. Now, what is the position of
Ma'am, Mars has red planet.
Yes,
Ma'am, Mars has red planet.
yes, on
And
which
Mars
position is Mars?
also
Mars
called
किस
red
position पे है?
planet, ma'am.
बताओ मुझे.
Mars is red planet.
Mars is in
And
which
Mars
position?
also called red planet.
It is red planet. It is in which position? I am asking. According to distance from
Ma'am,
the sun.
Ma'am, and celestial planet. Ma'am,
And four.
Ma'am, fourth
Yes,
position.
fourth position. Very good. Yes, that's what I am
Fourth
asking.
position.
It is in the 4th position. ये जो है Mars जो है,
Ma'am, fourth position.
yes, 4th position पे है, and you people are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, and
Yes, ma'am.
Earth has. Ma'am, and Mars has red planet.
Yes, Mars has
Mars
red
has
planet.
also called red planet.
Okay, it is also called red planet. That is the correct sentence.
Ma'am, Mars is situated between Earth and Jupiter.
Yes, it is situated between Earth and Jupiter. So many answer I am getting from you people. Very good, very nicely.
Mars
You
is
people are
also
telling
known
me
as
the
red
answer.
planet.
Very good.
And Mars
Very
is also
nicely
known as
you
red
people are
planet.
saying. Now one more question from this.
Ma'am, this planet are also terrestrial.
Has also terrestrial. Is
Ma'am,
it a
this
correct
planet are also
sentence?
terrestrial.
This is not a correct sentence. We can say our Mars is also called a terrestrial planet because like Earth,
Ma'am,
Mars is also made up of metal and rock. Now can you tell me other planets which are made up of rock and metal? कौन-कौन से दूसरे planet rock और metal से बने हैं?
Ma'am, Venus and Mercury. Ma'am, Venus.
Mostly made up of
Ma'am, Mercury.
Okay.
Ma'am, Mercury and Mercury.
and Mars have a structure similar to that of the Earth.
Ma'am, Mercury, Venus and
Ma'am,
Mars.
Mercury, Venus and Mars have a structure similar to that of the Earth.
Yes, see all these points you can add in the topic Mars. Mars में ये सारे points तुम लोग जो है add कर सकते हो. That our Mars is in fourth position.
Ma'am, Mercury, Venus and Mars is also they are mostly made up of rocks and metals.
Yes, Mars, Earth, Venus and Mercury. All these planets are called terrestrial planet. Means starting from Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These four are called terrestrial planet. Okay. Now I need the answer from Subham. Subham, unmute yourself. Subham बोलेगा तुम लोग चुप रहोगे अब. I need the answer from Subham because he is not speaking a single sentence. Subham, quickly unmute yourself. Subham, you are hearing me? Subham. क्या शुभम मुझे सुन पा रहे हो? He never answer in class. He is not answering in online class also. Very bad this is. Subham, try to answer. Subham, not a single word he is saying. Okay. So see, now question from you people. तुम लोगों से question है, ठीक है? Question from all of you that why Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars is called terrestrial planet? क्यों इन चारों को हम लोग terrestrial planet कह रहे हैं?
Because they are made up mostly made.
They are made up of rocks and metals. Mostly made up of rocks and metals.
Shreya Singh, you first of all answer. Shreya Singh.
Ma'am, because these planets are mostly made up of rocks and metals.
Yes, very good. These planets are mostly made up of rocks and metal. That's why these planets are called terrestrial planet. Very good. So we people have learned up to the topic Mars, and what we come to know that Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these are the four planets right now we people have discussed, and all these four are called terrestrial planet. Okay, so the homework for you people is you have to draw change of season. You have to draw and send it to me. The pic of that you people will send it to me, or better you people put it in
Ma'am, please write. Ma'am, please write the chat box. Ma'am, please write the chat box.
I am writing. See.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I am writing, and I am going to give it on the snap homework also. Snap homework
Okay,
में
ma'am.
हम इसको दे देंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to draw solar system as well as you have to draw the figure of changes of season. Changes of season को भी draw करोगे और solar system को भी draw करोगे.
मैम मेरा सोलर सिस्टम बना हुआ है.
Ma'am, my
see,
solar system.
for today I am talking about, so draw it in your,
Ma'am, my solar system.
yes, draw the peak of all the two, as I told you, the solar system,
Ma'am, and second.
change of season, the solar system, and see, so much sound is coming, and change of season.
मैम मेरा
Yes,
सोलर
ma'am.
सिस्टम और फेजेस ऑफ मून बना हुआ है दोनों
Season.
Picture.
Then you draw change of season and send
Ma'am,
it to me.
मेरा चेंजिंग
अच्छा सुनो,
Ma'am,
कहाँ
this-
भेजोगे? And the change
Ma'am,
of
this.
season. ठीक है?
Ma'am, this.
Yes.
Ma'am, this.
Okay. These two figures you have to draw and
draw-
send it to
I-
me.
मैम
ठीक है?
फेजेस ऑफ मून
Ma'am,
Yes,
I draw
yes.
this the change of season.
Okay, these things you draw and send it and upload it
Ma'am,
in the
please.
Snap homework. Snap homework में
Okay,
upload
ma'am.
करोगे, ठीक है?
यस मैम
Okay,
Now I
ma'am.
think it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
clear to
Ma'am.
you. It is clearly visible on the screen.
यस मैम
ये clearly screen
Okay,
पे
ma'am.
visible है. So do it and
Okay, ma'am.
send
Have
the
a nice day.
यस मैम
yes and
Okay,
upload
ma'am.
the.
Have a nice day.
अच्छा, किसके घर से आवाज आ रही है? किसके घर से आवाज? So much
Okay,
sound
ma'am.
is coming.
Okay.
Why don't you unmute yourself? सब लोग unmute करो तो, सब mute करो तो.
मैम आपका साउंड नहीं आ रहा है.
Every one of you mute. My sound is not coming. Mute yourself. Now see,
Ma'am,
you have
please
to
take
draw
my
this
phases of-
figure and upload it on the Snap homework. Snap homework पे upload करोगे, ठीक है? अपना क्लास
चेक माय फेजेस ऑफ
मेंशन करके करोगे, ठीक है? इसको अपलोड कर देना. हम लोग अभी रिवीजन कर रहे हैं ना. We are doing the revision work, and that's why I am telling you to draw it again and then upload it on the Snap homework. ठीक है? So right now we people have discussed about all the four planets. हम लोगों ने अभी
Ma'am, have a nice day.
yes.
मैम
अभी हाँ बोलो.
मैम विभा
Yes.
मैम विभास
Ma'am,
ने
I
मैसेज
don't-
भेजा है
विभास मैसेज भेजता है.
मैम
Wait a
विभास
second.
यस मैम
Where is
आप परेशान कर रहे हैं
किसको? तुमको पर्सनली भेज रहा है?
Ma'am, I don't know.
यस मैम
ओके, लेट मी टॉक टू
Ma'am, I
विभास.
don't know.
हम जो है इसकी क्लास टीचर जो है विभास इज इन 5C और 5D.
मैम 5D
5D.
5D.
अच्छा, yes, I now I remember his face. विभास, where are you? विभास,
Excuse me, ma'am.
विभास कहाँ है? मुझे विभास से बात करनी है. Now I remember his face. Yes, विभास.